Hello, welcome to APG.STUDIO and time for our lunch break yoga right now. Nice stretching for your body, upper body, lower back. If you're sitting a lot in the office or maybe you're working from home, you need this stretch. Just few minutes every day makes all the difference for your body and you're going to feel much better after that. So you're ready to start, but before, please click subscribe and turn on notifications. Never miss any content from my channel. And now lunch break yoga right now. Let's start with your legs wider than your shoulders width apart. And first, deep inhale, lift your arms, reach up, and when you exhale, slowly shoulders back and down. Inhale and slowly exhale. Try to really reach high, lengthen your spine to stretch your muscles, especially upper part. Inhale and slowly exhale. And two more. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Now your shoulders roll back. Try to push your chest forward at the same time to really work, mobilize your shoulder joints and warm your muscles in your chest and your arms, shoulders. And one more. Lift your shoulders and relax. Inhale and exhale. Now if your legs even wider than your shoulders width apart, engage your abs, squeeze your buttocks muscles. We need good stability in your hips, in your core, to make the movement only from your waist up. Inhale, slowly exhale. Feel nice, stretch on your left side all the way. So keep your arms straight. If it's too much stretching, just move to your left side. Okay, if you've got more flexibility on your left, stronger muscles in your obliques on your right arm could be close to your head. But if it's your first session with me or just a few, this is the way to slowly improve the flexibility and strength by controlling, stretching, keeping your arm in the right position. So find where is it now. Maybe it's here, maybe higher, maybe it's close to your head. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now you're right. Checking how you're doing on this side. You can notice one is a little bit more flexible, so that's a sign the other one is stronger. Again, that's less stretching, that's more stretching on your right to activate muscles on your left, your core, make it stronger to work for better condition in your lower back. Inhale and exhale. Maybe two more. Remember, you can stop anytime. If you're very new, you're a complete beginner, just few reps probably is gonna be enough for you, which is fine. And now inhale, straight arms. As you exhale, try to bend your elbows. If you can't bring your arms behind your head, keep your arms apart. Inhale, shake from the side, slowly exhale. Make sure you're not leaning back, you're not pushing your hips forward. Got your position nice and upright with your abs and your glutes muscles engaged. So it's no movement in your hips. Inhale and exhale. Really work for good mobility in your shoulders, good flexibility in your chest. Inhale and exhale. And one more. Going to hold the stretch if it's enough. Trying to keep your elbows, pull them in closer to your head. So that's the way to work with your arms. You can hold. You can try to add deeper stretch if you're ready by pulling your right arm back, not towards your head, but backward, okay? Another option, if you've got enough flexibility and mobility in your shoulder from the back to pull even more, or some of you ready to reach for your opposite hand behind your back again. Strong core, strong glutes, strong abs. Good, breaths in and slowly out. Inhale, slowly exhale. Both arms, inhale and exhale. And hold, left. 3 ways to stretch more. Okay, so check what's the position for you, how far you can move your left arm back. Maybe your elbow is pointing forward, maybe it's pointing up to the ceiling already, which means you've got good mobility in your shoulder. Inhale, lift, and slowly relax your shoulders. Just lift one at a time. Okay. Now you're changing position on your floor to do your exercise for stronger core muscles to keep your lower back in good health, pain-free. To start, check first how is your head. If you're dropping your head, you're looking back. Just correct position. Lift your head. You've got head, neck in line with your spine. So the best if you're just looking space between your hands. And how is your upper body? If you're just dropping everything here in your torso, or you're tucking your pelvis slightly under to engage your abs and support the lower back. And without changing position of your hips, you're going to lift your left leg. Inhale, slowly exhale, bend your knee and swing forward. Keeping your body the same. Movement is only your left leg from your hip. Inhale and exhale. Push your shoulders down. Imagine you're pushing yourself away from the floor to activate muscles in your upper back. Inhale. Exhale. Come on, mistake, people. Just shifting balance to other side. As you start, you've got your knees directly underneath your hips. So when you move your left leg, you've got the same alignment on your right side. Okay, that's the way to really work in correct way to build the strength in your core, especially obliques on your left side. Maybe one more. And relax. Okay, opposite. Checking your position again, head, neck, lower back, chest. And now as you lift your right leg, how is position your left knee, left hip? Inhale, exhale. Make sure not rocking your body back and forth, it's just your right leg. Inhale and exhale. Remember, if it's too many reps for you, just stop, take a break. Everybody is on different level, different strength, different flexibility. Please respect that. If you're with me, 2 more. On your forearms, toes tuck under and push back. Inhale, watch your hips again. Avoid dropping your belly, pelvis still tuck under. So try to keep round back. Inhale and exhale. If you're ready for more movement, move your arms forward more. And going to feel deeper stretch in your upper body, shoulders, chest, and your arms. Stretching glutes and your lower back as well. If you've got the right alignment in your hips, got abdominal muscles engaged, active, which means we work with this part of your body too. Inhale and exhale. Maybe one more. On your four. Knees with your hips width apart, hands with your shoulders. And now I'm going to place your left foot. Where was your hand? And when you inhale, I'm trying to lift and twist your upper body to reaching up your left arm. As you exhale, back to center. Show you from the side. Inhale and exhale. Watch your left leg. Make sure you're not pushing out. Try to pull in. Inhale. Great stretch for your upper body. Left hip, but also this movement with the twist is great way to mobilize your spine, to work with your lower back. Inhale and exhale. Maybe one more. And change the side. Right foot, left hand to your right. Inhale and exhale. Keep an eye on your right leg. Press your foot to the floor. So you're moving only your upper body, right arm, twisting your torso to your right side. Inhale and exhale. Maybe one more. Okay. On your forearms again. Toes like under and again. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Strong abs pull in through the spine. Build the strength in your core, your shoulders. But stretch your upper body, lower back glutes at the same time. Inhale and exhale. And one more. Hold your position. Your elbows more bent, or maybe arms straight. You're almost sitting on your feet. And now I've got your right arm front of you. Try from the front. So I've got elbow in line with your right knee. Okay. And you're lifting your right arm. Inhale, slowly exhale. Another great movement, great exercise for your lower back to really build the strength in your core, activating your obliques, left and right side in your waistline. Great stretch for your lower back glutes as well as upper body. Inhale. Exhale. Don't worry if you can't go that high, maybe here, but try to work with your shoulder as well. Not only pulling your arm, but make this rotation in your upper body as much as you can. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Change the side. Inhale and exhale. Control your abs. pull in, especially when you're back to center. 2 more, inhale and exhale, and last one. Toes tuck under to sit just for a few seconds. Inhale, slowly shoulders back and down. Inhale and exhale. Okay, so thank you. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, please give me a thumbs up. If you've got any comments, you can leave it below the video. If you need nice music as you're working from home and you want to listen nice music to just relax your body and your mind, but still be focused, you can use this link for the channel Relax and Nature. We've got amazing music. Coffee break will be nice right now for you guys. Enjoy your lunchtime break and see you tomorrow. Bye guys.